So you'd like to redecorate your living space, but you're afraid to do so because redecorating around a recliner can seem impossible. Imagine sitting in your recliner in a brand new decorated room. In this video, I'm going to walk with you through the 5 simple steps to blend a recliner into the rest of your room. Hey y'all, I'm Ellie, interior designer for La-Z-Boy Home Furnishings and Decor. And I'm here with Furniture Academy. Recliners are very comfortable pieces of furniture, and sitting with your feet above heart level provides many health benefits. However, styling around a recliner can be difficult. Thankfully, you can use these simple interior design tips to help build your recliner into the rest of your room. Tip number 1, upholster your recliner in a solid color fabric. Patterns naturally grab your attention, so when a guest comes over, their eye is directly going to go to that pattern. Solid colors can keep guests from noticing the recliner. The color can be bright or a neutral, just as long as it's a solid color. Incorporate your patterns in pillows, rugs, or your accessories. Tip number 2, corner off your recliner. Design the layout of your room with the recliner in the corner if at all possible. Most recliners can still fully recline when positioned against a wall. If not, take a look at La-Z-Boy wall-away recliners. Tip number 3, offset your recliner with tables, lamps, and accessories. Add a small table with a lamp and an accessory to help connect the recliner to the rest of the room. Big pieces typically stand out without anything around them. Tip number 4, consider a pushback or a high leg recliner like the one behind me. High leg recliners offer a modern style and gives you a great look that you can put in a lot of different colors. Putting your sofa in a neutral color fabric opens you up to a lot of fun options to put onto your high leg recliner. If you like this style, check out the Riley or the Fletcher. Tip number 5, meet with an interior designer for free. You can visit any La-Z-Boy Home Furnishings and Decor and meet with a degreed interior designer, all for free. Your personal interior designer would be happy to help you decorate around your recliner and bring your ideas to life. Utilizing these 5 simple interior design tips will help you to transform your living space. Choose a solid color fabric, corner off your recliner, offset your recliner with tables and lamps, consider a pushback recliner, and of course, you can always come see an interior designer for free. If you like what you've seen and you want to hear more, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Check out the description for a link to your nearest La-Z-Boy Home Furnishings and Decor. And did you know that I am on a podcast? Check out the link below and listen.